It's done. Life is what you give it, so give it all your life. Spread the love, spread the laughter, make the dark turn bright. Your energy's a gift, so let it shine and show. What you put into the life is what you'll see grow. And the world feels heavy, and the road seems steep. Remember that your mood can make the climb less steep. If you're full of hope, if you're full of grace, you'll find that life will meet you in that space. Every gesture, every word, every little cheer shapes the way you see the world and the path that's near. If you want to change the scene, if you want a fresh start, it begins with how you choose to play your part. Life is what you give it, so give it all your life. Spread the love, spread the laughter, make the dark turn bright.